Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Class 8, lecture number 5. In this video, we will discuss lesson first, computer network and description exercise. Multiple choice questions. Question number first. Which is the most commonly used network card? Which is the most commonly used network card? Option Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet network card. The correct option Ethernet network card. Question number 2. Which wireless technology is used to interconnect mobile phones, computers, printers using short range wireless connection? Option hub, Bluetooth, both. Correct option Bluetooth. Bluetooth use a short range connection. Question number 3. What do we call the computers which are connected to the server? Option nodes, laptop, PC. The correct option nodes. Question number 4. Dash security means protecting data and resources from access by unauthorized persons. Option network, information and resource sharing. The correct option network. Question number 5. Dash is a device that connects wireless communication devices to form a wireless network. Option WAN, Wi-Fi, web. The correct option web. True or false? Question number first. Nodes and servers have the same function. Nodes and servers have the same function. Option 2, yeah, false. The correct option false. Question number 2. LAN stands for large area network. This statement true or false? This statement is false. Question number 3. Network cards are used to physically attach a computer. Network cards are used to physically attach a computer. Option true or false? Correct option true. WAN stands for wide area network. Yes, this statement is true. WAN stands for wide area network. Question number 5. Web stands for wire access point. This statement true or false? False. Question number 6. In client server network there is no central server. Option true or false? This statement is false. Application based questions. Question first. Mr. Ravi has set up his office with 50 computers. He wants to connect computers and peripheral devices within his office building with wires. Which type of network will you suggest him to use? We will suggest LAN network, local area network, because you connect office building, so you use LAN. Question second. Which type of network architecture is the most suitable when a few number of computers having similar power and capacity are to be networked together? Which type of network? The answer is peer-to-peer network. Question number 3. Sagun wants to physically attach a computer to a network so that it can participate in network communications. Which card will you suggest her to use? Which card you suggest? Answer is network card. Question number 4. Anjali wants to send business card for her client to one of her friends by interconnecting mobile phones using short range wireless connection. Which technology would be the most suitable for her? Correct answer, Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Define the following. First, WAP. Answer. WAP stands for wireless access point. It connects wireless communications devices to form a wireless network. WAP stands for wireless access point. It connects wireless communication devices to form a wireless network. Question number 2. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to interconnect mobile phones, computers, printers using short-range wireless connection. Bluetooth is wireless technology used to interconnected mobile phones, computer, printers using short-range wireless connection. Third one is server. A server is a computer that provides service to clients and control access to hardware, software, and other resources. Server is a computer that provides services to client and control access to hardware, software, and other resources. Fourth, node. Node is a computer that participates in a network as well as it works independently. Node is a computer that participates in a network as well as it works independently. Answer of the following. Question number 1. What is networking? Give some relevant example. Networking is the interconnection of a group of computers and other peripheral devices so that they can share data and hardware resources, for example LAN, MAN, and WAN. Networking is the interconnection of a group of computers and other peripheral devices like printer so that they can share data and hardware resources. Example LAN, WAN, MAN. Question number 2. List some advantages of networking. Data can be shared on central computer. It reduces the cost of hardware as hardware resources can be shared. Next, updation of data is done at single point. Third, it reduces the need of hard copy as soft copy can be shared. These are some advantages of networking. Question number 3. Differentiate between LAN and WAN. Features LAN and WAN. Speed. LAN networking 1000 Mbps, WAN 150 Mbps, means here 100 Mbps. Speed of LAN 100 Mbps and WAN 150 Mbps. Bandwidth for transmission, LAN is high, WAN is low. Data transfer rate, LAN high and WAN low. Geographical coverage, LAN use small area, WAN use large area. Means these are the difference between LAN and WAN. Question number 4. What do you understand by network security? Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Since many users are accessing the same data, so we must ensure that only the authorized persons can access or modify data. There are two levels of network security: login security and write security. Means network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized persons, unauthorized access, since many users are accessing the same data, so we must ensure that only authorized persons can access data. There are two types of security: log security and write security. Question number 5. Explain client server network. In a client server architecture, several computers called client or workstation are connected to the main computer called the server. Client and send requests to server in order to share data and other resources with it. Means client server. Client means several computer is called client, which are connected to the main computer called the server to share the information and resources. Hopefully all students understand all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number and write down on your copy and learn them. Thank you.